Okay, so just wanted to show you how the conveyor is set up. This is the conveyor, how it's set up. Everything is labeled and accordingly to how it should be set up when you guys receive it. So this whole part here to the bottom curve there will be disconnected. This is how it's supposed to be. So this is number 4 arrow going that way towards the motor. The arrow going that way is towards the end. Okay, so this is gonna be section 1. That part's gonna go on a crate. We did TIG weld the ends here so that the line could be sturdy. That's something that you guys will need to do on your end. So what we've had to do is actually cut the bars here, so that way when you get it on your end and you make the connection, you just get some TIG welding over here like you see here. Okay, so it can keep it sturdy. And so that's how it's all labeled, so you guys know the sections. Okay, so this is going to be on a separate skid. This is going to be 1, 2, and 3. Again, 1. This is one section here. You see the connection. It does start as C1, C2. They're all labeled. Okay, so you can't go wrong. Even the trays at the bottom. Okay, there's 2. And then the next one, 3. And there's the, so I just gotta label that there. So that's A. Okay, so 3. That's A, A, A. Yeah, the alphabet is not A, B, C, D, but that's because my tech just put the letters in pairs. Didn't really follow the alphabet, but if you follow this here from this video, you will get it right. Again, there's the separation. And again, the last part here being 4B. Okay, and I'm gonna label those parts there as well, so that way you know the sides that it's going to be. So very easy to understand. I'm gonna label all that, and you guys should have no problems in assembling the conveyor. The chain will put it in a position so that way you guys should put it on. The direction towards upwards, this is right. Okay, this is the way it should be. But I'm going to tell you right now, the way that this chain is installed, my guy messed up. He put it this way. This is wrong. This should be the opposite, and the direction should be like that. So we just have to flip the chain. But it works just as well. But the proper way is this part here goes upwards. Where I'm going to send you the instructions, the illustration of what is the incorrect way to do it and what is the correct way to do it. I believe I already sent that to you in the email. Okay, so it's just a flipping of the chain, and this can flip the direction that is required. This is the correct way. Okay, this part up. It's just this part over here. Flipping the chain will be able to fix this, and that part that way. Okay, so other than that, that's the only thing that I have to say in regards to setup. We can ship it like this. Will cost you a little extra because I didn't budget for that. They're setting it as one whole piece, and you guys can't offload it anyway. So one section, one skid, and then the 3 bottom parts are gonna go on another skid so that it can be offloaded on tail end. And it's gonna be 2 side by side. We're gonna put a platform on top, turn the last piece upside down on the other skid. And then it's just a matter of assembling it, making the connections according to what you have seen on the numbers. Okay, so use this video as a reference. Again, I'm gonna start from the very back. You got your 1, you got your 2, okay, and you got your 3, and you got your B, all right, and you got your G, and that's it. The plates at the bottom They go on the guides there. So they make the connections. They're already all pre-fitted. And I'll label them as well.